Did you know a single lightning bolt carries about 1 billion joules of energy, enough to toast 100,000 slices of bread? On screen, a dramatic zoom into a roaring bolt morphs into a toaster, with bread sizzling as colors explode. A fast montage shows a map of storm belts, then a tiny character flipping toast while lightning flashes. The science is that storms transfer energy into air and ground, and nature never wastes a spark. The twist, the toaster pops a bolt-shaped toast, as bold text vanishes into electric cosmic dust.